Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids, and as the Galaxy S10 is just 2 months away now, we seem to be getting a lot of leaks, and with those leaks, we know everything about the phone. The design, the price, the release date, and much more. So with that being said, in this video, let's talk. Starting off with the Galaxy S10, there's going to be 3 models, so the Galaxy S10, the S10 Plus, and the S10 Lite. Talking about their displays and their sizes, we'll have 5.8 inches, 6.1 inches, and 6.4 inches. Talking about their resolutions, Quad HD on the S10 Lite, Quad HD Plus on the S10 and the S10 Plus. And the aspect ratios will also change on the latter two devices. And talking about the design, it stays true to the initial leaks. So you'll have the Infinity O design. On the Galaxy S10 Lite, you'll have a single camera on the front, and on the S10 and the S10 Plus, you might have 2. And yeah, it will look something like this. On the back, you'll have 3 cameras on the S10 and the S10 Plus, and the S10 Lite will have 2. And the fingerprint sensor will be in display in the S10 and the S10 Plus, and it'll be side mounted on the Galaxy S10 Lite. Now talking about specs, you'll have the Snapdragon 855, and RAM will vary anywhere from 4GB to 8GB depending upon which model you get. And talking about storage, 128GB is going to be the base for any model. So whatever model you buy, you'll get 128GB of storage. You'll also have micro SD card expansion, and that's a good thing. And the headphone jack is still there on the Galaxy S10, the S10 Plus, and the S10 Lite. Now talking about the pricing of the Samsung Galaxy S10, the S10 Lite will start at £669, and that should be anywhere around $700 US. And the S10 will start at £799, that should be anywhere around $800. And the S10 Plus will start at £899, that should be anywhere around, again, $900 to $950 US. Now some people have been converting the pound pricing to the US dollars pricing directly, but that's not how it works. UK charges VAT at 20%, and I'm not really sure how it works for phones. So $1 to a pound seems the right conversion right now. So yeah, you can convert the UK pricing and maybe add $30 or $50 to it to be on the safe side for the Galaxy S10's pricing. And yeah, so converting the pound pricing to the dollar pricing is not the right way to go. And talking about one extra feature that is also leaked is POWERSHARE. So remember how the Huawei Mate 20 Pro allows charging other devices through its back, and that's something that's going to happen on the Galaxy S10 as well. So you have something called POWERSHARE, so you can place a device on the back of the Galaxy S10 or the S10 Plus or the S10 Lite. It is universal for all 3 models, and yeah, it's going to support wireless charging of other devices. Now talking about the release date, Samsung is going to hold an Unpacked event, a separate Unpacked event on February 20th before MWC 2019, and they're going to launch these 3 phones. And you can get your hands on these 3 phones starting March 8th. So yeah, Samsung Galaxy S10 launches early in February. Now take all of this with a grain of salt, because this is still hype train. This is still rumor mill, so nothing is confirmed yet. But yeah, these pricings and the specs and the design leaks, they actually seem pretty close to what the Galaxy S10 is going to be in February of 2019. Do you think something should change? Do you have any other expectations? Let me know all that in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.